What is up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step. And in this YouTube channel, we post tutorial videos. Basically, if you want to get up to date with tutorial videos related with Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and many more other stuff, you need to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step, because we're going to be making videos just like this. And today's video is basically on how you guys can maintain your streaks on Snap. So basically, if you don't know what Snapchat streak is, then basically, if you guys can see right beside my friend's Badal Oli's name, there's like a fire icon. And right beside that fire icon, there's that 293 icon. So that's what Snapchat streaks is called. Now, what's this streak is basically, it means that I have been sending him Snap and he has been sending me Snap continuously for 293 days. So basically, Snap streak means if you send Snap to somebody and they send Snap to you, and this process continues like regularly for like more than 2 days, then your streak starts. And until and unless somebody breaks the streak, so let's say I don't send Badar Oli a Snap one day, even though he sends me a Snap, the streak is gonna end, because for the streak to maintain, both of the party needs to have like, you know, sending and receiving of Snap. So in order to like not break this, Badal has to send me a Snap every day. I have to send Badal Oli a Snap every day. All right, so that's basically what Snap streak is. Basically, to maintain streak, just send your friend Badal Oli a Snap, and Badal Oli, or like for an example, your friend should also send you a Snap. And it's not text, all right? Texting somebody every single day is not gonna do it. You need to send them Snap, which means you need to click a photo or a random video just like this, click on send to, and you know you want to choose to which friend you want to maintain the Snap. I want to maintain with Badal Oli. I click Badal Oli and send it to him, which means that today's Snap streak has been maintained because he has already sent me a Snap today, and I have sent him a Snap right now. All right, and now whether he opens it or he doesn't opens it, whether he sees it or doesn't sees it, it doesn't matter. All right, you just need to send them and they need to send you a Snap. So that's basically how we guys can maintain Snapchat like streak in Snapchat. It's that simple. It's not complicated at all. So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And just because you're maintaining Snapchat Snap streak doesn't mean you're gonna get some extra features. All right, it's basically like a number thing you can see. So enjoy.